And it came to a shock or surprise even to my parents when I told them, I want to do welding, and they're like, that's pretty awesome. And I just got a lot of support from everyone around me, and that made it a lot easier for me to step into this program. The biggest challenge as a female, accepting that you are going to be in a field that is more dominated by men, but it's not intimidating. Everyone welcomes you.
Don't listen to what others think you should do. Do it for yourself. Find your passion. Do what you think is right.
That first time my dad took me out trout fishing, it was kind of a click in my head. I wanted to do this. All of my classmates were very supportive. For every class, if we ever had teamwork situations, we were always all included. The fact that, there is a lot more boys in this program had no determining factor on how successful I was in the field.
My family's been very supportive, especially my husband. He's like, you can do anything you put your mind to, and I thought, yeah, I can do it, and I'm doing it.
I chose nursing because I really had a fascination with overall just the body and how it works. My friends and family, they were very supportive, and once I graduated, they were overwhelmed.
My classmates, they are amazing. We're all here for the same purpose. We all want that degree. There's so many different opportunities out there for females, males also, but especially with females now.
I actually don't feel uncomfortable. I feel confident within myself that I can do what I want with my life. Kind of makes me want to get better so then I can show other women that they can do the same thing. They can empower themselves and get out into the world and do something that they want to do, but there might be some people holding them back from it.
I feel like it's not as much of a female-dominated profession anymore. I feel like I've seen just as many male nurses on the floor. I don't feel awkward about it at all. I thought I might be coming into it, but everyone's just so awesome with making sure that all the males in the field feel more welcome.